I've recently been trying this new diet called the carnivore diet, and I wanted to share with you a really good restaurant in Jomtien, and they have some of the best chicken that I've tried in Thailand. And this is one of the best ways to travel throughout Pattaya, is using the Bat bus, also known as the Song Tao. The price is extremely cheap, only 10 baht per person. You got a lot of these tours that come in from Bangkok too. Those tours that come from Bangkok are normally the Chinese tourists. This is a restaurant that I've never tried out, but I heard it's really good. The Wombat and Kiwi Bar. In the morning they sell seafood. You can see all the boats lined up. It's actually pretty quiet here right now in Pattaya. I believe for the next couple months is considered the low season, and it definitely looks that way. One thing that I normally like to bring with me is bottled water, and I keep it in these glass bottles because I have a water purifier at my condo. Some articles online that said that you're supposed to drink water out of bottles instead of plastic. I don't know if that's true or not, but for me, I prefer to drink out of glass bottles. Absolutely gorgeous views of the beach and the ocean in the morning. Decent amount of people gathered right here. Not sure why they're not in school or working. I overshot the restaurant by a little bit, but there's a interesting tractor right behind me. If you want to try out this restaurant, you could see that that's Soi 2 next to the Casacorn Bank, and the restaurant we're gonna go to is that one right there. One thing that I enjoy drinking while I eat my chicken is a Americano to help with the digestion. And there we go, an iced Americano for 40 baht. 7-Eleven really should sponsor me for how much I promote this coffee. And one thing that you get with the chicken is this awesome sweet and sour sauce. And the sauce is actually a pretty good liquidity. It's not too thick, so I feel like there's less calories in it compared to some thicker sauces. And my chicken has finally arrived. So this entire plate of chicken is only 240 baht. And one of the reasons why I like this place so much is that they remember me, they remember my order, and also the chicken for some reason is very soft. So they're experts on cooking this chicken. So if you get a chance, you definitely should check this place out. The link will be in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.